Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Goan-style buns. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 very ripe bananas, and 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Don't forget 1/4 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and a few tablespoons of warm water to activate the yeast. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. Start by mashing your very ripe bananas until they are completely smooth. In a large bowl, combine the mashed bananas with the sugar, salt, and your activated yeast mixture. Gradually add the 2 cups of all-purpose flour, mixing until a soft, slightly sticky dough forms. Knead it gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. After kneading, it's time for the dough to rest and rise. Place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it proof in a warm spot for about 1.5 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough, divide it into 8 to 10 equal portions, and shape each into a small, thick disc, about 3 inches in diameter. Finally, the moment we're all waiting for. Frying. Heat about 2 inches of oil in a deep pan to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few buns into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Serve these delicious Goan buns warm, perhaps with a spicy chutney or a flavorful curry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.